What's going on, everybody? This is Brian with BB's Vlogs and Adventures. I got my wife today. We're gonna go randonauting my style. She don't like doing the randonaut manifesting, so we're gonna do it my style today. We're gonna go where we left off. So as we've been doing for a little while, I pulled up the national days for today. We have National Miniature Golf Day, World Migratory Bird Day, Stamp Out Hunger Food Drive Day, National Underground America Day. That could be interesting. National Train Day, National Dance Like a Chicken Day, National Dog Moms Day, National Buttermilk Biscuit Day, Archery Day. So we have National Dance Like a Chicken Day on the same day as National Decency Day. And we also have George Lucas Day and Kate Blanchett Day. Well, those are the things that we'll be trying to manifest through our randonaut. My problem with the randonaut starting with today will be I don't exactly know where I left off. I know about where I was close. So I'm going to go to that area and we'll start there. And we're going straight there today. I've already gotten gas and coffee this morning, so let's just go get started. I don't remember exactly where I was, but I know I'm in the same vicinity because I am on this residential area. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do the generating of the randonauting for the national days that we talked about earlier. As you see, we'll generate, as I always show. Then we'll use void. We're going to use 10,000 radius meter. We're going to find 3 points and we're going to generate those national days. See where it leads us. Come on, generate national days. We have us 1, 2, 3 spots and we will push for the first directions. It looks like we're 11 minutes away. So that's where we're headed. Let's go see what we're going to get ourselves into. So we made it to our first destination. It's taking us to a place that's off of Lake Worth. Park and Recreation observe park rules. Park users must pick up pet waste. No littering. Selling of goods and services prohibited. No riding, tethering, or pasturing animals? Shouldn't it be pestering? I guess. Dogs must be on a leash. Off-road driving is prohibited. Alright, and then this place is called Musquay Point. It's part of the city of Fort Worth Park and Recreation Department of Jehovah Drive. That's where we're at, is Jehovah Drive. Today is some kind of bird something day. What's kind of weird about this is I think what's happened here is we actually have something that's been manifested a little bit. Does this have anything to do with actually our national holiday of birdhouse? Interesting. What's in there? I don't know. What's kind of weird too is, you know, what we also like to do is look over here by this tree. Here it looks like some kind of memorial. Wonder what happened. I hear something walking up into those woods. Oh, a truck started behind me, kind of startled. Bonita, Carlita, interesting. I don't know why these are here. I wonder if somebody passed away on this thing. Have some cactuses and stuff like that. That's interesting. So in the last couple of weeks, I've gotten me some toys. with that being said, I'm gonna do something that I haven't done on this channel yet. And I got an EMF reader. It's a K2 EMF reader. And what it's supposed to do is if there's any energy, I don't know if this is somewhere like where a place where some people have passed away. This right here shows a 2017, but I don't see any other dates on any of these, so I don't know if they're in. Well, one of them's a 2010. I don't know what's so significant to this tree, but I'm kind of interested in seeing if there's any energy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually start the K2 meter up and see and walk around this tree, see if there's any energy. If it's on green, that means I'm not getting any energy. See, if I have my phone with me, but my phone is in my car because I don't want to do anything as far as pull out like the spirit box in any kind of way, because I want to keep my 2 points of Randonautica still on there. I'm gonna walk around this tree kind of slowly and see if I get any spikes. I don't see anything spiking, so that means that there's no energy around this tree. I don't know why there would be or if there wouldn't be. But this may be a tree that I want to kind of remember, maybe come back at another time and maybe do a spirit box session at it. Maybe I can get some answers. Like I said, there's a bonita. I can't tell what this one, it looks like one is named Amanda. This one right here, you can hardly see it, but it says Amanda. And this one, you can tell says Bonita. Oh, I didn't realize, but this says Carlotta with a Busch Light can. This one here, T-Bone. Interesting. And then all kinds of like little bitty things in here. So I kind of think that Randonautica is onto something today. At least it brought us to something kind of rather quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the car. We're probably gonna go to our next Randonautica location. I have no idea how long it'll be. When we get there, I'll start us back up.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Here, smile, you're on camera, so are you, so you smile back. It's taking me to these apartments. They look weird, kind of spooky like. I wouldn't say spooky, they just look run down, I guess, to me. We're in the Samson Park area of Fort Worth. It says warning, parking is for tenants only after 5 p.m. on weekends till 4. I haven't seen anything that said private property though. If it was an apartment complex, why can't I drive around? I don't really see anything here. If I realize that there's anything that is part of the national days, whenever I go to edit, I'll sure put something in here. Like I said, on Randonautica, you never run into something that you always should. Wonder what's in these trash bins. All right, we're gonna be off to our third and final destination. Our last destination, the final destination of all this. I'm gonna kind of show, this is a house that it sent me to. I don't know, one thing that I noticed that it sent me to quite a bit today was a lot of cactus stuff. At least the first destination and this destination, they have like cacti. I guess that's how you would say it in a singular form. This is it of the video. If you wouldn't mind, it'd mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, leave a comment down below. Until the next journey, everybody have a good one. Bye.
Bye.